gonna get a dog.
So cute. Get a new dog. What's the name of your dog?
Dog Milo.
Ah. Hi guys! Happy Valentine's Day! So today is February 14 and it's currently 6:09 p.m. I'm getting ready lang kasi I have a dinner. I'm so excited to eat because nagpa-fasting ako ngayon, so I'm on my 3rd day. I'm just doing a 3-day fast. I'm gonna break my fast later tonight at 7. So I really don't know what this vlog is gonna be, but I'm just gonna take you guys along with me through my days. So it is now 7:28 p.m. and here is my final look for tonight. Tinali ko na lang yung hair ko, guys. This is my sister. We're on the way na sa Roots Chris. So kakain kami sa Roots Chris BGC. So mga 40 minutes yung biyahe namin papunta doon. Kumain na din pala ako, guys. So I'm eating fruits lang. Berries and grapes. Kasi para lang hindi mabigla yung tiyan ko later. Kasi kakain kami ng super yummy na food. So, ang ETA namin doon 8:25 and yung binook ko table is 8:30. So,
Alam mo ba paano yung parking doon?
we made it here. It's already 9:01. So, late kami ng 30 minutes kasi hindi kami makahanap ng parking. We got some bread and butter. So excited to eat. This is lobster bisque. We have a question for my sister. What's been the best day of your life?
Nung pinanganak yung baby brother namin sa June. Yun yung day na feeling ko mas naging stronger yung bond ng family namin.
You know what? I was gonna say the exact same thing. At dahil dyan, titikman na namin yung steak. We got dessert. This is creme brulee. So guys, it is now 10:55 p.m. and we just finished our dinner. And I know we had a dessert there, pero ngayon maglalakad kami sa Oro kasi gusto ko patikim sa sister ko yung favorite chocolate cake ko doon. Guys, we got to Oro pero wala na yung gusto kong cake. So ito na lang. This is Turon tub cake. Cake. First bite. Tastes like bananas. But I like the chocolate more. Okay, now, maglalakad na kami pabalik sa parking. I'm so sad, wala yung chocolate. Gusto ko pa naman nun. But it's fine. Hi guys, I'm back home na. It is now 12:28 a.m. and I'm just gonna get unready. I'm gonna be using this cleansing. Super tagal na nito sa akin pero ang dami pa. I use this to remove my makeup so I don't use it every day. Oh, nakalimutan ko tanggalin yung lashes ko. Our dad was so sweet to give us flowers for Valentine's. Hi guys, good morning. Today is February 16 and it's currently 9:20 a.m. And pupunta ako ngayon sa BGC because I got invited to a hot sculpt class at Vida Yoga BGC. So my classes will start at 10:15, and I also invited Shanika with me, so I'm gonna meet her there. It's a full body sculpt class, and it's my first time trying it. Hey guys, kakatapos ko lang maligo. Kasama ko na si Shanika.
It was intense, guys. Intense. I'm telling you.
Ay ka naman sa mga nagko-comment na ang
Hi, mga kapeti! Comment down below kasi nag-uusap kami ni Bea Bea if magka-collab kami tapos magsiswitch kami ng lives. Ipa-fly a plane ko siya.
Ano naman tayo, Muji Part 2! Punta tayo Central Square! Guys, malaki na yung towel namin.
Ako, ito pa din. Ito pa din yung towel ko.
So, pupunta kami sa Central Square. Gusto ko rin ng spotlight. Okay. So, we're gonna get brunch. What are you gonna eat?
I'm gonna look for something. Baka mag-habo ako.
I've been craving for ramen run, so we're gonna go there. And then, baka mag-take out na lang siya. Kasi ayaw niya mag-ramen.
Yeah.
Kasi diet daw
I'm
siya.
on a friggin' diet.
Okay guys, hindi na diet si Shanika.
Guys, wala na. Mag-ramen run na rin ako.
Made it to Central Square. If napanood niyo yung unang vlog ko with Shanika, alam niyo dito nagsimula yung lahat.
May tuwalya na kaming malalaki ngayon. Sorry, Muji.
Bibili lang ako ng cake, guys. Guys, I'm back home. It is currently 4:13 p.m. I want to share with you some of the PR I got. So, the first one is from Maybelline. Came in this little pouch. And this is their newest product. It's the Sky High Boosting Serum. It's a serum for your lashes. I'm excited to try this one out kasi nga napahinga ko yung lashes ko sa extensions kasi super nipis na niya. So, hopefully this one works. It also came with the Sky High mascara. I tried this one before and maganda din siya. Then we have this little, I think this is a passport holder. I'm not sure. But, ang cute ng color niya, like pink. And then, meron din itong sleeping mask. Next naman is from Lovely Cosmetics. So, ito yung liquid flush blush nila. 5 shades of their blushes. So, pakita ko sa inyo ito. This one is No Calls Please. So, ito yung itsura niya. Mga shades na binigay nila sa akin. Thank you, Lovely.
It smells of vanilla.
Come here.
It smells so good.
You wanna try it? You can try.
Not just
Eat it all. Sarap, no? Okay, try my favorite cake.
Ow.
Is it good? Sarap, no?
Where's your boyfriend, Ate Danica?
We're looking for other than his boyfriend.
I want to kick his butt. Be quiet! We're making a vlog, kids! It's in the case. So good. Want to try? Buy it if you want. Hey guys, we're gonna show you our dog, but there's all the little dog, but the other one is upstairs. Upstairs, Bluey, Bluey. This is